State of emergency declared in western Jamaica.
After careful consideration and review of the crime statistics, in particular violent crimes which have been committed in some western parishes, the security forces have advised that the situation now currently exists would warrant the government advising the Governor General to proclaim a state of public emergency.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
As I had promised in Parliament before, that the government will use all the tools available to protect the lives of citizens. And the tools that are available include states of public emergency and zones of special operations.
A state of public emergency has been declared for the three western Jamaica parishes of St. James, Hanover and Westmoreland, following an increase in serious crimes, particularly murders. Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced the declaration at a media briefing at Jamaica House on Tuesday morning.
His Excellency the Most Honorable Sir Patrick Linton Allen has declared that a state of public emergency exists in the community of the entire area comprising the parishes of St. James, Hanover and Westmoreland. This proclamation shall, unless previously revoked, remain in place for 14 days or for such longer period, not exceeding 3 months, as both Houses of Parliament may determine by resolution supported by a 2/3 majority of all the members of each House.
The Prime Minister told the media briefing that he had spoken to the parliamentary opposition prior to the latest declaration of the state of emergency, and he was hoping for the opposition's support.
We invite the support of the opposition. We are in discussion. I have informed members of the opposition before the declaration. We await to see what their response will be.
But considering that the opposition pulled its support from the three SOEs last December on the ground that they were unconstitutional, it is not immediately clear if it will support the latest declaration. A state of emergency was first declared in St. James in January of 2018 and was credited with a 70% reduction in murders in the parish when compared to 2017, when 335 people were killed. SOEs were also imposed in St. Catherine North and sections of the corporate area in March and September last year, respectively. More than 40 people have been murdered in St. James since the start of the year, which has led to calls for the resumption of the emergency measure to stop the bloodletting. At the time it pulled its support from the SOEs, the opposition asserted that there were no need for the security forces to reduce their presence on the streets. It also said relatively few violence perpetrators were apprehended.
Well, I indicated in Parliament that if the situation warranted, that we would declare other states of public emergency. The law does provide for 14 days. Within these 14 days, the security forces have a work plan that they intend to pursue and certain objectives to accomplish.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.